things like depression, how would a pet impact a person's depression?
So just the support and companionship, again, you know, putting a smile on their face, that feeling of being needed and loved, and there's just no comparison when it comes to.
So are you saying you can get rid of your psych meds and
No, but it could definitely aid in making the days a little bit easier, sitting at home and going through a hard time.
So let's talk about the physical benefits now of having a dog. I mean, you probably have to walk the dogs frequently, so that helps.
That's a good question. I mean, there are countless benefits that require a degree of nurturing and oversight, but they can have many benefits, such as, again, those dogs require exercise. They require walks. They require consistent training methods to keep that dog entertained, and so they don't get bored themselves sitting in a home. There's a financial risk, expenses just from the annual physical and vaccinations to, if anything happens to that dog. And we always have to plan for end of life, whether we're expecting it or not. We all have to come to terms with the fact that we aren't going to live forever. So developing a plan, talking to family and friends, adding it to your living trust or will, just to have a plan for the dog so he has somewhere safe to go.
We actually, as you know, been in the nursing business myself a long time, and I recall a situation where one of our nurses went to a home where one of our patients had just passed away. They were in their 90s, and so the nurse went in to deal with the situation, and as she's leaving, she hears his dog barking. And this woman had lived with this dog, and she could just shut the door, because the body was removed. So now there's this empty house, and this dog is sitting
Very confused dog.
Yeah,
very sad and confused dog.
So the nurse brought the dog back to our office.
Oh, excellent.
And then we kind of through a process. In fact, I took the dog home for a couple nights, and didn't really work out. Dog had some behavioral issues, but brought the dog back, and then we were able to place the dog at somebody else's home, and that was very happy to have the dog. And so it was, good outcome and good ending to the story.
Good happy tale.
I like good endings. Okay.
Yep.